In this video, I want to show you how you can withdraw crypto from eToro. Now, the way that this works is you want to head over to your portfolio. So I suggest just using the app for this because it's much easier. So you want to go to portfolio, find the crypto that you've bought, and then you want to click on the three dots on them and go to edit trade. Now, how this works is when you go to the edit trade, and then you'll have the option to choose transfer to wallet. Now this only works for some cryptocurrencies, but the big ones like Bitcoin and all of those will work for sure. So once you've done that, transfer to wallet, it's gonna transfer it to your eToro Money wallet. Now eToro Money is an app that eToro made, and it's basically a wallet for your money within eToro. So it's going to transfer it to your eToro Money, and you need to download that app. Once you've done that, your crypto will appear inside of this eToro Money, and then you can send it to an external wallet. So you can open up eToro Money, select the one you want to do it with, click on send, and then just put in the external wallet, and then it will send it to that one. So that is how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.